Product name: Carson MicroBrite Plus 60x 120x LED. Lighted pocket microscope, mm300. The Carson MicroBrite Plus 60x 120x LED lighted pocket microscope is a portable microscope with an impressive 60x 120x magnification range. Benefits: the microscope is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around. The microscope has a powerful magnification range of 60x 120x, allowing for detailed observation of small objects. The microscope has a built-in LED light that provides a bright, clear image. The microscope is easy to use and does not require any special skills or knowledge. Negatives: the microscope's focus is fixed, which can make it difficult to get a clear image of objects that are not perfectly flat. Overall, the Carson MicroBrite Plus 60x 120x LED lighted pocket microscope is a great choice for those who want a portable and easy-to-use microscope that is capable of magnifying small objects up to 120x. Price: $14.99.